what this pussy, 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 what this pussy.
So to begin this tutorial, I will begin by washing my hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle shampoo and conditioner. So here I am just washing my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. So first off, my thoughts on this shampoo was this is a really good shampoo. It is extremely moisturizing and nourishing to the hair. I really did like it. As soon as I put the shampoo onto my roots, I felt an immediate change. My hair felt extremely soft and moisturized. The conditioner was pretty good as well. I felt as if I could detangle my hair really well. So one big thing that I want to point out about this shampoo and conditioner is the smell. It reminds me of a barbershop or just like men's cologne. It's really strong, but it also smells really good. It's not off-putting, but it's just something really different and original that I haven't seen in any other shampoo and conditioners I've used. So today I will be doing a perm rod set using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream and the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil Hydrating and Strengthening Leave-In Cream. So I'll be using these products to do a perm rod set. As y'all can see, I don't ever do like perm rod sets, flexi rod sets. That's not what I do. I just do flexi rods and sleep bags. That's what I do. But I want to try something different, so I decided that I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. And so here I am just showing you the consistency of the leave-in, which was very thick and helped to detangle my hair very easily. I did not detangle prior to this, so it really shocked me that the leave-in worked so well. Here I am just applying the leave-in, spraying it down with some water to dilute it and so that it can saturate my hair evenly. And here I am showing you the consistency of the curling cream and distributing that through my hair as well. So now I'm going to show you my technique for my perm rod set. First, I will be detangling with my 3-row comb, making sure there are no knots, no bumps, anything, so that my perm rod set can be perfect. I will begin by smoothing the ends over the flexi rod and then using my fingers as a hook to twist my hair around the flexi rod. As you can see, I'm twisting it, making sure that everything is tight. And I'm twisting until I can get as close to my root as possible. And I'm rolling it very tight and using the string. So here I am showing you my technique one more time. I'm detangling my hair with my 3-row comb, smoothing the ends of my hair over the roller, and using my hand and a twisting motion to roll my hair on the roller. It's really hard for me to explain. It's better to just watch. And here I am back with my whole head flexi rod. As you can see, I use multiple different sizes to achieve this look. You can do the same or use the same size. It's up to you. Now here I am just taking the perm rods out of my head, just making sure I'm being gentle and not yanking the curls out. I kind of use the technique and just pull the flexi rod down and let the curl slowly unroll. It's about to be a big fail. My bump on my lip? Thanks for pointing it out. Thanks, no. So once I removed all of the perm rods, I noticed that my hair still wasn't dry. So I used my blow dryer to hit the curls a few times just to make sure that everything is completely dry before separating. And now I'm just coating my hands with coconut oil and separating my curls where they naturally want to separate. Since this is just first day hair, I won't be separating completely. I will just be separating until I get a medium amount of fluff. As I separate the curls, I am coiling them around my finger, just making sure that the whole curl is coated with coconut oil. A hair tutorial on this perm rinse that I did.
A dishwashing tutorial. They got one like that on there?
I'm not sure though. They probably do have something like that on YouTube.
You'll be the first one to provide.
So here I am completely separated, and now I am just laying my edges using a toothbrush and some edge control. And next I will be taking my pick and coating it with coconut oil and picking my hair to the desired amount.
What this pussy, 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 what this